Hello everyone, today we are going to make a pop-up card. Very simple to make, very easy steps, and small kids also can make it by themselves. Okay, let's start. To make the pop-up card, we need some 6-7 pieces of hearts of same size. Okay. First we need to take the card, these heart shapes one by one and fold all into half like this. Fold it half, 1, 2, fold all the hearts into half. After folding all the shapes into half, this is how all these shapes will look like. Now step number 1, take one of the heart shapes, fold it half. You can use your glue stick. Put Fevicol only on one side of the heart and this is how we need to stick it in the center. Like this, half. Similarly, half side, fold, put Fevicol, glue stick, anything you can use, and stick it. Now again put Fevicol and stick another color like that. Try to use maximum colors. More colors you will use, more colorful it will look like. One more like this, and now my last one, here it goes. Stick it, all should be in same level. Stick nicely, and here is our final step where we need to stick this last heart on the other side of the paper, or you can fold this paper like this. Press it nicely, fold it, press it. So this is how we have to press it, okay? And let's open and see how it will look like. Here we go, our heart pop-up is ready. Like this. I have one more here. If we want to see this like this, see how beautiful it is looking. Now I have another card. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.